All right, so tonight we're going to do an unboxing review, and we're going to do sound tests on the Yier BoomHero 1 Bluetooth wireless speaker. All right, so it comes in this nice big box. It weighs about 4.95 pounds and is their BoomHero 1. And let's check out the back of the box. And this is what the back of the box looks like. This looks really, really nice. Okay, so let's get it open. Now this is a 80 watt peak, so 80 watts of peak music. This has RGB color light show, really cool. Okay, this is an IP67 splash proof radio, and also it has a bass boost, and that's really important to me. I like the bass boost. Okay, so we have a quick start guide. We have cords. So we have, it appears to be aux and the power cord. Great. All right, let's get the BoomHero out. As you can see, the rest of the box is empty. And this is actually a really, really, really nice radio. We have the passive radiators on the edges of the box, as you can see here, for the bass. Flexible. Here's the back. And this is a really, really nice radio. Here's where all your connections are. We have rubber feet on the bottom. It's actually grips to catch the table. All right, so here is the Bluetooth speaker. And here are the cords that it comes with. So let's see. We have a USB 2.0 to USB-C. And now a lot of these wireless Bluetooth speakers come with micro USB, and this is great because it's a C charger. Now this battery is a 10,000 milliamp battery. So this is going to power this BoomHero 1 for a long time. Now we have the aux cord that it comes with right there. And let's go over the features really fast. Okay, so it's, again, the BoomHero 1, 80 watt peak power. We have RGB colorful light show. You can go through different modes of lights. You could shut it off if you don't want to save battery. It also has IP67 waterproof, which it can handle splashes, which is great. We also have 3.6-inch full range high performance drivers with enhanced bass and crisp highs. It has a subwoofer. When you press the bass boost button on there, it's a dual side passive radiator. So on each side, you saw that it provides pressure for a more powerful, wider subwoofer when you press that bass button. TWS pairing, meaning that you can pair two of these together to get peak wattage of 160 watts. Really cool. A 10,000 milliamp battery. Bluetooth 5.0, the latest, aux port and the cable. You got a C charger, and it's not too heavy and it's not too light. It has some heft to it. So this is a really nice Bluetooth speaker. You can tell the quality is there. Let's check out the buttons on the top. So we have the one that looks like a sun is the one for the RGB light show. We have a bass boost button. We have what appears to be an equalizer. I did not know that. We have the advance back or volume to lower the volume. We have play or pause. We have to advance in your playlist, or you have to raise the volume, the power on, and the TWS pairing button. Let's look at the ports on the back and see what it has. Let's open that up. Okay, so here is, it appears that it has, okay, you have the DC 5 volt in charging port right there for the C charger. You also have a USB port right there. I don't know if this can be used as a power bank. Maybe. If not, you could put a flash drive in there for a playlist. Really cool. We have the aux port, so you can hardwire it to your device as well. And this actually seals. There you go. This little rubber seals to keep the moisture out. Now, IP67, you cannot submerge this underwater, but it can take splashes or rain. They do not supply you with one of these. Everyone's got one of these wool bricks to plug it in. You'd need the USB 2.0 for the one end. This is how long the cord is. You might use an extension cord if you want to place it in a different spot in your house. I want to see if we could plug it in. Again, the C charger plugs into this. I want to see if we can actually keep this plugged in and play at the same time. So this is an important question to a lot of people, that when the battery goes dead, can you still listen to it with it plugged in? And we're going to check this out right here. We have a C charger. And I'm going to just plug it in, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, it's plugged in. And how will you know that it's charging? Let's check out the back. Okay, you see the red light? When the red light either disappears or turns green, you know it's fully charged. But let's see, can it power on and work with it being charged? And here's the power button. We'll turn it on. And yes.
Bluetooth.
Okay, that's great. And there's our RGB light. And we have it pairing right now to my computer. Let's go ahead and pair it. We're going to add a device. And there we go. BoomHero 1 connected. So let's play around with the light show. So there you go. And we can do different things. You can turn it off also. A lot of people complain a lot of these Bluetooth speakers, you cannot turn the lights off, but you can here. You can see it goes from one color to another. Let's press it again. Now you got like a little dance. And this is great if you want to take this party speaker out into an area where there's like at nighttime, not too much lights. This is phenomenal. All right, so we have an equalizer. We had the bass boost. Now we're going to do a subwoofer and bass test. Then we're going to go to regular music. Now, I know this is really a no-no, but when you test out these speakers, you don't really want to have it on the highest volume because then there's distortion. But no. We're going to do it at the highest volume, even if there is going to be distortion, because we want to know how well this speaker can handle loud music. It's at the highest volume. All right, let's go ahead and start with our bass boost test. Now, as I go along, I'm going to keep hitting the bass boost button, and we're going to see the difference between the two different modes. Okay, when you bass boost it, there is a huge difference, as you can see in that little test. Let's go to the next test. And here we go. Oh my God, this has such punchy bass. I mean, really punchy bass. We'll go to the third song to try to shake the house.
Bass. In this song, there are 3 kinds of bass. 1, 2, 3. 3. More bass. There are 3 kinds of bass. There are 3 kinds of bass.
right, this completely passes the bass test. If you just really like your bass really loud, this will actually really boost that bass. Okay, so I give this a 5-star in the bass category. It had great reaction to bass. You saw I went through the 2 different modes. It did sound a little clearer in the non-bass boosted mode, but if you're really looking for that thumping, heart-shaking, house-pounding sound, this will give it to you. All right, we're going to check out a few pop songs, different genres on full volume and check it out. All right, so we're going to test out some other music genres, and I'm going to be when you see me pressing, here's the bass button. If you see me going like that, I'm going to toggle in between. This is at full volume. We'll make sure. Yes. And let's go ahead. Whoa, did you hear that? All right, that's another good thing. We saw how loud a YouTube notification is, and that was just a YouTube notification, louder than all of my loud party speakers. All right, so we're going to go through a couple of songs. This means the bass is on when the light's on. I'm going to press it on and off in between the song. I'll also fast forward the song so it's not skipping on the speaker. So let's go ahead. We have our bass on right now.
To introduce myself, my name is Yier, and I'm a surefire, blue-blooded, bonafide, hot-fucking production MC. If you want the best, then put me to the test, and I'm sure you'll soon agree that I got no remorse, cause I'm down.
It handled that song really great. Now, there was an interruption during it. If you heard a bell sound, it was a YouTube notification. All right, on to the next. We'll do a little Joe Jackson test. right, so what are my impressions? My impressions are this is a great party speaker that's compact in size. You have your bass boost equalizer, you have TWS pairing, you compare two of these together. It also has the light show, RGB light show that is. I would say this is a great buy. I would definitely buy it. Link in the description below. It has a really, if you like bass, this is really, really a great speaker because it has great response to bass. Again, the passive radiators on both sides of the speaker. This is a winner, especially with this beautiful light show and that bass boost.